If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Apex Legends, this guide will help you unlock smoother gameplay. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Adjust in-game settings. Go to the Settings menu in Apex Legends and lower the graphics settings. Focus on reducing options like texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing to improve performance. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers to enhance performance and fix bugs. Step 3. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Go to System Properties, select the Advanced tab, and under Performance, choose Adjust for best performance. This will help free up resources for the game. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Use the Task Manager to end tasks that are consuming CPU or memory resources, allowing Apex Legends to run more smoothly. Step 5. Check for network issues. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection if possible, and check for any bandwidth-heavy applications running on your network that could affect gameplay. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering while playing Apex Legends. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience.